What's up, my YT homies? It's your girl Alethea coming back for another video. Yes, let's go ahead and address the elephant in the room. It has been a long time to me. It's been, I don't know, probably almost 2 months since I sat down and recorded a video. I've come in and I've recorded a couple of videos. You haven't seen them yet. They're coming. But it's been a minute since I've sat down and done a video with you guys. But here I am to do a sit down video. So let's go ahead and get into this thing. So for those of you that know me in real life, and those of you that have been here on the channel for a while, you guys know that I love makeup. You guys know that I am a self-proclaimed makeup enthusiast. You guys have seen me do my makeup. You've seen me do makeup on other people. You've heard me talk about me doing makeup on people that I know. But one thing I have not done is I have not done makeup on other people. I have not put myself out there to do makeup on other people. And that is because I am not a certified makeup artist. However, your girl is on her way to becoming a certified makeup artist. And if you want to hear about that, then please continue to watch. So yes, your girl is on her way to becoming a certified makeup artist, and this video is done in collaboration with the Online Makeup Academy. They are based in New York. They do have a brick and mortar school, but you know your girl is not in New York, so she has to do her thizzle online. But anyway, they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to take the course, and of course, I decided to take the course. So let me just say this though, before I say that, there was another makeup academy, another makeup company, online makeup company that reached out to me prior to this company. And I'm not going to say that company's name, but I decided not to go with that company. So, but with this company, before I did decide to go with them, I did go to the website and to look to see what they had to offer. And when I went to the website to see what they had to offer, I did decide to go ahead and collaborate with them. So thank you so much, Online Makeup Academy, for sponsoring this video as well as for taking care of this course. So with all that being said, let me tell y'all a little bit about this course. So y'all know, your girl knows how to edit and all that, and y'all know I use a MacBook, but for some reason when it comes to screen recording, I'm not good with that. So I have my computer here and all that good jazz, and I'm going to tell y'all, I'm going to try to screen record and put it in the video, but just in case I don't, let me just look at my computer screen and tell y'all the other classes that they offer. The class that I am taking is the Makeup Master Program, and I am at this point 44% complete with the program. Someone that does not have a schedule like mine could finish the program within a month, and I have been taking the program for a month, so I'm going to give myself a month to finish up the rest of the program. I may be able to finish it before a month is up, but I'm going to give myself a month because you guys know I am a teacher, so in between me and my work, as well as I do have a personal business of my own with my bestie that I have started, as well as with this, I'm giving myself time. But once I'm done, I am going to put myself out there as a freelance makeup artist, thanks to taking the program. With that being said, some of the other courses they do have a makeup advanced course, which I'm sure that once I get done with this, if I decided to, I could go on to that course. They do have a professional makeup kit. With the course I did not get a professional makeup kit. However, what I did do, because of the products they did use in the course, I did go on Amazon and I ordered a few things. So you guys know I use makeup, I use the beauty blenders or sponges or whatever to blend out my concealers, but they were using the wedges in the videos, because it's like one-on-one. You have videos, but you also have a person that is like one-on-one that you can talk to whenever. Oh yeah, and before I forget, I had a personalized video that was sent to me where the person, I can't remember her name, but she actually in the video, she said my name, so it was personalized and tailored to me, and that is something that I think was really a really great touch that they take the time to personalize videos and welcome the students to the academy. So anyway, I have these wedges. Something else that I did get from Amazon was this kit right here, and what's in here is a spatula, because they are big on the spatula, you putting your products in here to match your products up, because what you learn is that in your kit you only need 4 foundations, 2 on the dark spectrum and 2 on the light spectrum, and you should be able to mix up any colors. And then you have your spatula and you have your palette to mix those up. You mix your concealers and all that kind of stuff, because of course you're not supposed to use your product straight from the tube because of cross-contamination. And then of course in here, as some of the other things that I do have are the disposable, you know, like mascara wands, lipstick brushes and things like that. So this is going to come in handy, as well as something else that was with it is a cape, like a makeup cape, to keep from getting someone's clothes messed up. So those are some of the things that I got that they didn't have the makeup cape, but some of the other things that they used. As far as the makeup products that they had, that they got in the kit, I have a plethora of makeup. You guys know that already. There is one thing that they had in the makeup kit that I do want to get, and that's a gel liner. I use a liquid liner, but they use gel liner, and I definitely want to get that. So back to the courses. Another course they have is the MUA Complete Training, which is a career elite path, which has a elite career path, a master makeup program, advanced makeup course, professional kit, pro card discount. So this is kind of like engulfs everything. Then they have a special effects makeup course, a pro hairstyling makeup course. And so, you know, just a wide a plethora of things and programs that you can have. One of the things that I do like about it is once you are finished with the program, you do have lifetime benefits, so that you can go back if you need to ask questions or you need to get back into the program. Even if you need to go back and watch a video or something like that to just brush up on something, it is there. One of the first things that I did get from it, and I do have, I took very good notes. I'm telling you, very good notes. As I'm going through the program, I'm taking notes. Even, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all, girl. I'm learning with this, and a lot of the stuff that I learned when it came to doing makeup, a lot of the things I learned, of course, I learned here on YouTube, and I learned with this, one size does not fit all. When I tell y'all, I thought it was good to do inner corner highlight with everybody. Girl, no it's not. No it's not, depending on the eye shape. So anyway, let me show you. Now don't talk about my drawing, but girl, I even got a page right here where we were going through contouring techniques. My eyes, yes, eye shapes, girl. I mean, they go through the whole gamut. I even, child, this makeup brush right here, it's dirty, don't talk about it, but look at this. I have not used a foundation brush like this in so long, and I actually used it to do my makeup today, and I'm going to put some footage in here showing you me using this right here. I have not used a foundation brush like that in so long. You learn how to work with different types of skin, different skin tones, different undertones. There is even a module about mature skin tones, and of course I am a person of a mature skin. I am older, you guys know that. So I am a person that has a mature skin. My skin is not like really sensitive, but I do have some sensitivity, so I do have to be mindful of that. There is even a module that talks about kids skin and makeup for men. I haven't gotten to that point yet. Girl, do you see the red lip? Red lip, I did this today, showing you. We even did the red lip module. You even have to turn in homework. The course itself though does consist of 8 modules, and then they do give you kind of like a little sneak peek of the special effects makeup as well as the pro hairstyling tips. So they kind of do give you a sneak peek of that to let you know, if you do decide to branch off into those, what you would be getting if you did go and move into those different areas. One of the things that I do really like about this course is it does tell you at the beginning to set realistic expectations, because it does talk about setting expectations for your goals. So this, I mean, would be for those people that are planning to make being a makeup artist their living. Now, I'm not saying that down the line I don't think that this could be my living, but right now I know what my full-time job is. I know what it is that I'm doing as a that pays my bills, and I do know that I do want to freelance. However, I know that I'm not about to go out there and say, okay, I'm gonna stop education and just go and be a full-time freelance makeup artist. But there are those people that may be thinking that they can do that, and they tell you to set realistic expectations, to set those goals, to set your goals high, but to also be realistic about what can happen and what can happen when you get out there. So, to not set yourself up to where you have these expectations that everything is just going to happen overnight. And I do appreciate that, the fact that they do let you know that. They also, once you do finish with the course, you do get the opportunity to get a pro benefit card, to get discounts with companies like Ink a Lot, NYX, Makeup Forever, these companies that they partner with. So I am excited about that, because you guys know I am a makeup junkie. So they do have nude, natural, smoky, bridal, like I said, the sensitive, the mature skin. They even go over the eyeliner for the different type, the wing liner, the eyeliner and the wing liner for the different types of eye shapes. Like I say, and I think, well, I did show you my picture where you do the contour with the different types of bone structures and face shapes, even the concealer, where to go with your concealer, where to stop with your concealer. They did go over where the COVID protocols, the sanitation, even with sanitizer, keeping your hands clean, making sure that you keep yourself clean, keeping your brushes clean, how often to clean your brushes. And as you go through the modules, there are quizzes and things that you will take. So it's not like you're just going through there and you're just going from one thing to the next, to the next, to the next. No, you're actually being quizzed so that they can see that you are paying attention and that you are learning the content before they just go and issue you a certificate once you get to the end of this course. I could go on and on about this, but one of the things that I do like about this fact that this company does offer mentorship. And once you're done, they don't just put you out there and they're done with you. You can come back and you do get that one-on-one, and you still can come back and you can get some help if you need help. And like I said, the course will be there for you in the event that you do need to come back and you need to brush up on something and know something. Because even myself, even though I know how to do makeup and I have been doing makeup and my makeup on myself for a while, when I went through and did, which one it was, when she did, it's the very first look, I think it was, when she did the nude look, I actually learned something different with her nude look versus the way I do my nude look. So even if you're someone that that has learned from YouTube, and I'm not taking anything from YouTube because I have learned a lot from YouTube. So even if you're someone that has learned from YouTube and you think you know it all, there is still something to learn from taking the course. So if you have thought about or wanted to take a makeup course, I would tell you, not just because they've given this to me, I would tell you, if you're going to take an online course, take this course. There are several different instructors that you're going to come across, and each one of them are very thorough, and I do like that. I like the thoroughness of each one of the instructors and the fact that the step by step. So even if you're someone like me that is not a beginner, you benefit. And if you're someone that is a beginner, you would definitely benefit, because it is a step by step by step process, and it doesn't take you too fast. The course itself costs $7.99, so you can pay that all at one time, or they do have an option where you can divide up the payments, so therefore it doesn't take it all at one lump sum. So that is a good thing. So you can take advantage of that, and I will leave the information down in the description box as far as the information to get to the website. I'm not sure if I have a discount code or not. I'll look back to see, but if I do have a discount code, then that will be in the description box as well. If you have any questions about it or what have you, please do leave them in the description box, and I will be coming back to tell you guys more information about the program as I progress through, because yeah, I am gonna I'm definitely going to come tell you, and I'm definitely going to come show you my certificate once I get done and I get my certificate. And I cannot wait to actually be able to put myself out there as a freelance makeup artist and be able to make some residual income on the side doing makeup for other people besides family. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So with all that being said, I would like to say thank you to Online Makeup Academy for, you know, making this possible for me. Thank you guys so much for reaching out to me. I really do appreciate it. I am loving the course, and I am looking forward to finishing out the course. Thank you guys so much, those of you that have been here with me for a long time, and to those new subscribers or those people that have just checked in for the first time, please go ahead and click that button to subscribe to the channel. Your girl would definitely appreciate it. And yeah, so leave whatever comments you have down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications, and share this video across all your social media sites. And so until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Catch you.